Fauna, people have gone crazy over you and the Kaukini, and it became a great topic. Is it all according to your keikaku?
All according to Keikaku.
Would you say it is true?
Well, the Kaukini thing, if you want the honest truth,
Nothing but the truth.
I wasn't expecting it to blow up in the way that it
really?
did. Even with my tweets.
What do you say about this then? Could you please
maybe
read this?
I was moo. Everyone said, "Oh no, Fauna, the artists are gonna put you in a Kaukini now," as if that wasn't my exact intention.
She has no shame. It's good. I like it. I like cow fauna. It fits well.
Yeah, I mean, cows are cute, right?
Yeah, especially the fluffy ones.
Yeah, like the Highland cows.
Cute. Yeah, how do I explain this to the Japanese bros? なんかちょっと結構前に牛デザインの水着のイラストで大騒ぎになってたっていうまあ冗談みたいな感じで質問してた計画通りですかっていう聞いてたんだけどなんかそういうイラストを望んでたらしいでそのためにムーっていうそれだけのツイートをしてたんだけどそのムーだけでいろんな、ファウナちゃんの、まあ、牛の水着イラストがいっぱい出てきて騒ぎになってたのねもう計画通りだそうですうまいなうまい She's so smart
I'm always scheming.
She's always scheming The grand scheme of the Kaukini has been confirmed once again Thank you for the intel, saplings. I appreciate it